Hi everyone, it's Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know what sound this letter makes? It says D, D, D. Not duh. Some people say duh, and that's not right. We say D, D, D. Two words that start with the D sound are dog and duck. Do you hear the D sound at the beginning? Dog, duck. Now, let's use our bodies to help us remember the D sound. We're going to pretend that we're a dog, and we're going to do our little paws like this, and we're going to do little jumps like puppies. And we're going to go D, D, D. Are you ready? Go. D, 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 D. Now, let's play our sounds game. Get your pointer fingers ready. Point to the word that starts with D. Moon, dog, pen. Moon, dog, pen. Which one starts with the D sound? Very good, it's dog. You did a good job learning the D sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.